Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is November 22nd, 2019. And I'm just running some more motors. I finished this one up a couple days ago. It's 1983 15 horse Johnson. This one here just basically needed a routine maintenance, just needed service work. I picked this motor up back in July and just finally getting some time to get to it. So I put a power pack on it, put a carb kit in it, put a water pump kit in it, resealed the gear case, put a clutch dog in it, and a forward gear, and fuel lines, plugs, just all the basics to get her up and running again. So I think I got a prop that's slipping on this one possibly. So anyway, we'll give you a little show on this one. Still got to get an idle valve for it. It's missing. And I don't have anymore. Reverse. Alright, that'll do that for this one. I'm going to go ahead and put fogging oil in it. Put it away. Thanks for watching.